welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia. Today we're in Scratch and today we're gonna show Andrew's Minecraft racing number 1. Why did you add a number 1?
Because I want people to view it. Okay, so I remixed this project from
A famous scratcher called Griff Patch.
Yeah, and the original game was basically
A person, but Andrew remixed it into a Minecraft version.
yeah. So let's play first.
I almost have to well, they know.
Okay. So I'm gonna show you what I changed to make this project a Minecraft racing one from a
Usable
racing one.
Yeah.
So the car
was supposed to be a usable car.
Like this car.
What's up? No, down.
What?
And the bike.
Yeah, and the bike.
Oh.
So the bike was for level 2 and the car is for level 1.
You press V to change to bike.
Yeah, so you also need to change the name. You can't like upload the image. So I uploaded this minecart from Google and I put this here and I renamed it to car because sometimes I might like call on costumes or like use specific costume names, so we need to rename it.
Wait,
so I changed it into a minecart.
Wait, I want to do something.
What?
Like, because there's a line here.
No, I don't need to do that. I'll erase it.
Yeah, because it looks bad.
So I changed it into minecart, and so now it's kind of Minecraft themed. So I kept the bike for level 2.
Yeah, but he changed it.
Because there's no other Minecraft
kind of
like car except for the minecart. Then items. So the regular items were fuel and coins. Yeah. So I also renamed these
into coin.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to be called
experience points.
Yeah.
So they're like coins but in Minecraft. And then
you changed the head.
Yes. So the head here, there is now Steve head.
Ooh, Steve.
And I changed it from the original head into the Steve head.
Maybe you should do another call, Alex head, and when you press key, you can change it into Alex head. A for Alex, then
S for Steve.
Yeah, then you can change it.
So I did not change any of the code, and so there's the score, and you get more score if you touch a coin.
Yeah. So if you run a fool, you die.
Yeah, so that's about all I added. It's not much, but it actually changed. So I'm gonna
play it. Ooh.
See, that Steve head is a Steve head, and there's a minecart. This is level 1. You can change levels by pressing V.
Which I was doing. Oh, I'm gonna die because of fool?
No.
Yeah.
There's also a leaderboard.
Yeah, after you lose. We go, collect those experiments points. Or should I say?
Yeah, you also get extra points
when you go into the.
I broke something. And then after you lose, you see the leaderboard.
Yeah. The leaderboard. Dun dun dun.
Yeah, I am first because you get extra points. You get extra points some reason. Okay, now I'm gonna go to level 2. You can restart the level by pressing space. Level 2, me. Okay. Now sand and I'm on a motorcycle. So I did not change the motorcycle. Or the body. The Steve head just fits perfectly.
Perfectly, even if it's a square. Ooh. Oh, that was almost.
Really? Wheelies are dangerous.
Yeah.
Wheelies is when you balance on one wheel. It's so easy to fall.
You can do it with a handstand with only one hand. I can't. I can do it with 2 hands.
you should be cautious because if you get higher score, the more hard it is going to be. There's dips and hills.
Andrew said, oh, Andrew said, slow and
yeah, but
cautious.
sometimes you can be
like that. Oh, yeah, we're lucky. Oh. Yeah, one time we even go to 10. No.
10,000. Oh. I did flip. You get 1,000 when you do a flip. Okay, your turn.
Me card first. Go fast. Okay, I'm not fast enough. Slow and caution. Slow and caution. Slow and caution.
It's just the beginning. You can be faster. Seriously, can't go here. Okay, stay on the hill. The motorcycle course is actually easier.
Really?
Yeah.
I can go faster?
I don't know. It's still pretty hard.
Pretty hard?
Yeah.
Well,
but if you play it a bunch of times, you kind of get used to the course.
Slow and steady, Andrew said. Slow and steady. That's what she told me to do. Sound slow and steady. Fast.
You also need to sometimes be fast because you may, if you're too slow, you may run out of fuel.
Yeah.
And then you're going to lose.
Oh, why do I always do that?
When you crash, his head is really free. Like swelling through that.
Hey, I'm not first.
You can also press outside of the leaderboard if you want to start the league.
We go fast, Steve. Okay. Ah! Okay. Oh, you're so lucky. How do you get used to this course? Because we play all the time, I think. Yeah. I got one to hit. I'm never gonna get used to that. I don't really play.
Ooh. It's okay, you don't need to do wahaha.
But all I want to and thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.